Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video. I have got, it's really heavy, a huge yarn unboxing, bagging, whatever for you. So if you want to see what I bought, keep on watching. This is so big. This is bigger than my whole torso. This bag is bigger than my whole torso and it is very heavy. So I ordered this. Sorry, that's really loud. Let me just put it down a minute. I ordered this from Woolbox. I have never ordered from Woolbox before. I thought I would give them a go. I am planning on doing a crochet along, which I'm going to tell you about in more detail. And also I bought some yarn to make a daisy, it's a crochet, a granny square daisy cardigan. I can't remember who it's by. I will leave the link below. She uses Lion Brand. Lion Brand is like nigh on impossible to get hold of in this country. And the yarn that they did, you can get, it was out of stock. So I've just gone with Stylecraft. But anyway, that's me blabbering. I have got my trusty little cloud unboxer thingy, undo it thingy. I don't know how I'm going to do this because this bag is massive, so I might end up on the floor. We shall see. Anyway, let's get this bad boy open. So I ordered on last Wednesday? Was it last Wednesday or Thursday? I can't remember. Let me have a look and see if I can log in and tell you how much all of this was. Hang on. I have finally found it. It took a while on my phone to find out where you can log into your account. I had to scroll like miles down to the bottom. Anyway, so the total for this was £54.14. I did have a discount code for 5% off, which saved me £2.85. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is Sirdar. So the yarn company Sirdar have got a crochet along. I will leave a picture here of this thing of beauty that I bought the yarn pack for. So I bought it off of Woolbox, and with the 5% discount it came to, I presume that's including the discount, £28.63, which is an absolute bargain. So Sirdar are doing this crochet along and it's absolutely beautiful. I can't remember who the design, I think it's Blossom, no, the name of the crochet along is Blossom and Buds. I will leave the link to the person that designed it because I follow them on Instagram and my brain has just gone blank. So they are doing this crochet along. It starts on the 1st of May. I will leave all the information down below because I was thinking of doing this as a crochet along on Crochet Beginners group. I will leave all the information for this crochet along, like I said, down below. It is stunning. It starts on the 1st of May and I think they release a video every week. And I bought the yarn pack. They have the yarn pack on Woolbox. And it was on the Sirdar website. You can buy it for 40 quid, so £40 on the Sirdar website. But on the Woolbox website, it was cheaper. Sorry, Sirdar, I'm not giving you shade. I love your yarns and your crochet along. This is no shade to Sirdar, but I just tried to get it the best price possible. So with the 5% discount, it was £28.63, and it uses Hayfield Bonus DK yarns. Let me show you. Hopefully it's not at the top. Of course it isn't. So I have sorted all this yarn out to a kind of reasonable way of trying to show you, because there's just so much of it. So first off, I'm going to go through the, it's alright, I'm looking at the label because I keep forgetting the name of it, Blossom and Bud's Crochet Along yarn. I've taken some colours out just to show you like individually, but it came in this big bag, so you do get more than what I'm going to show you. I'm just showing you the colours. And what I think is adorable is that it came with this little label. Is it going to focus? It came with this little label so you can put it on when you finished it. So I'm going to make mine for Lily. How cute is that? And it also came with, the label was in the back. I love it. I am such a sucker for things like this, honestly. Honestly, they saw me coming with this kit, I'm telling you. So I'm going to show you the colours, and this uses, let me, how am I going to do this? There's too many. Oh, right, I dropped one. So this uses Hayfield Bonus DK, and it is so soft. It is absolutely lovely. It is so much better than I thought it was going to be. Have I used this? I think I might have used this before. But for a bonus, for a budget yarn, it is lush. There's no other word to describe it. It is so soft. So we have Frost Blue. Honestly, I'm clinging on to these skeins of yarn like my life depends on it. So Frost Blue. Oh, I'm going to try and put it in the bag. We have Oyster Pink, which I love a blush pink. Blush pink is one of my go-tos. Blush pink and sage are like my favourite colours. So, approve. We have Gentle Jade. Love it. So we've got two types of yellow. We have a lemon. Lovely. And then we have Primrose. So the Primrose, if I put it up to the lemon, it's just, so this is the Primrose. It's just a bit of a lighter yellow. Honestly, there's yarn everywhere. I'm in my summer house and it's just yarn everywhere. Golden, which is kind of like a dark mustard colour. And then Grass. This grass is looking, a lot brighter on my viewfinder than it is. It's more like a sagey colour. As I said, this is like one of my favourite colours as well. So there's all of that for the crochet along. And then for my cardigan, I don't know how this is going to work out because obviously I'm using a different yarn. Like I said, the pattern uses Lion Brand, but I've gone for Stylecraft Chunky. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, that's not going to happen because it is going to work. So I chose Pale Rose. I tried to choose the closest colours to the Lion Brand. So I think the Lion Brand though is going to be a bit more bulky, but we shall see. We shall see. So I got a Pale Rose. I got this mustard colour. And then I got a cream. So I got two creams. I think I got 5 of the roses, and I just got one of this because this is just for the inside of the daisies. And then I also bought, because I don't know where my hooks are going, I'm just so bad because I don't put them back in the thing. I bought a Knit Pro 4mm crochet hook, and I also bought a Knit Pro 10mm crochet hook, and I know I've already got one of these. Do I know where it is? No. I normally use Clover and More, but they were like, the price of stuff is obviously, cause he lives, has gone astronomical, and I didn't want to pay £8 for a crochet hook. So I think these were about £2 or £3, and they're Knit Pro. So yeah. So that is it. If you want more information about the Sirdar crochet along, I will pop it all, everything you need in the links below. I'll link it all below. As I said, I'm going to do a post on Crochet Beginners Group, so if you are on Crochet Beginners Group on Facebook and you wanted to join a crochet along chat, you're more than welcome to do that. Again, I will link that below. Yeah, so I can't wait to start. So the 1st of May, they're going to release the first part of the pattern. Bring it on. And I'm also off, I think. I'm off work. I've got that weekend off. I'm presuming it's weekend because it's bank holiday in the UK. Anyway, sorry for the really chaotic video and being surrounded by yarn. Hope you enjoyed that. Speak to you soon. Happy crocheting. Bye.